Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Now you're probably wondering why my hair is all crazy and weird and just blah. Well, basically that's what it is. It's just blah and kind of like it needs some renewal. So I'm going to test out the new L'Oreal Ever Pure hair sheet mask, and I'm not sure what scent it is. I wasn't concerned about the scent. I was concerned about what the treatment would provide, and apparently it's intensive repair. So that's what I need, and I'm hoping it won't strip out my color, but I'm not really worried about that. Mostly I want to see if this will give my hair some oomph and some life. So it only takes about 5 minutes to process. So there's some instructions on the back, and I'm going to go over them, and let's see what happens, shall we? And I'm hoping this product will be great because it's kind of pricey. It's like around $4 with tax, so I'm hoping it will do some good for my hair. Let's look at the back at the instructions and let's see what we have to do. So, step 1, before getting in the shower, open the packet and unfold the sheet mask. Well, I didn't really plan on taking a shower. I don't know. Okay. It says you have to shampoo your hair and rinse. Shit. Well, I guess I'm going to go and shampoo my hair, so I'll be back after that is done. And the shampoo I'm going to use is the Tresemme Expert shampoo. It's a volumizing shampoo. It's like really great, and I recommend you trying it out. I'll try to link it down below. Well, I shampooed my hair, and now I opened the mask off camera, and I'm going to take it out of the package and unfold it. So let's see what we get here. Pretty color. Like how shiny the mask is. Okay. What's this little note? Peel to expose sticker. Adjust to size. Okay. Wait, peel to expose sticker. Oh, okay. So that's like when you put it on or whatever. Okay, yeah. I get that. First I was like, what? Adjust size? Like, what are you talking about at first? Peel to expose. What is that? Oh. Okay. So, where... I feel like there's some stuff in... Oh. It opens like that. There's stuff inside. Okay. Okay. I'm not gonna... It smells pretty. That's a beautiful flower smell. That's nice. Okay, my hair is shampooed and rinsed. I know I look like a hideous monster. I know. But you'll live for like 5 seconds. Let's just be for real. After shampooing, twist and wrap hair fully into the cap with flat facing forward. Place sticker to seal. Okay, so it's gonna take me a little bit here. So I already shampooed, so I have to twist my hair and put it into the cap. So I have to twist my hair. Here's itchy. I don't know how I'm gonna twist anything. I think everything will just fit in. I have to like open this up. And the sticker has to be front facing, so it has to be like this. Like that. So getting it open is a challenge all on its own because it's all stuck together. So you're gonna have to massage it open a little, pull it apart a little bit. I'm guessing you just dunk your head in pretty much. There's no way I'm gonna get to the bottom. Okay. Well, here goes nothing. Well, maybe we'll have to twist my hair. Hold on. It's all good in the neighborhood. There's my little birdie twist. There's my twist. And it's going inside. I'm guessing you have to go... Oh, you can adjust it like that. I'll get the back of my hair, veiny back hairs in here. They'll even go. Make sure everything's in there. So far it feels okay. The hairs are going in there eventually. I kind of just look like an idiot now. My hair, is there something wrong with my head? Like, is it too big or something? I don't know how they expect you to like flap it or something. Oh. Okay, so whenever you can find the frickin' peel, you peel off the sticker like so. And you'll be left with this peel thingy. I'm guessing you have to like wrap it like so, like that, and then onto the side, like that. And you have to massage it on your hair. You have to massage everything in. So you're gonna look crazy for like a little bit. Take my mirror over here, and it's not getting the back of my baby hairs probably, but that's okay. I mean, I don't expect the product to be everywhere. I'm trying. Okay, so we got that done. Whew. Try to get these hairs at least in there on the side. God, I look like an idiot. But at least it's a nice shade of pink, am I right? I mean, they got the colors down really nice. I love this metallic-y. It looks kind of fancy, but I look like an idiot kind of look. Hair repair chic. I guess to step four. Gently massage cap so hair is coated. Leave on for 5 minutes. So we gotta massage this stuff in here. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to, where it's gonna be massaging to. Mostly the top of my head, I'm guessing. I don't know. I'm gonna massage even the sides, just in case if some of the stuff drips down. You never know. I feel a little bit on the back of my head. Oh, definitely. There's like a little bit drippage that happened from the movement when I was putting this on, but it's okay. I mean, as long as it works. I'm not sure how to massage correctly. I'm just like scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. And then I'm going to leave it on for 5 minutes and then rinse it and then come back and show you the result, like what happened to my hair. Did all my hair fall out? Did my hair look gorgeous and glamorous? We're gonna see what's up. I'm back and the mask has been rinsed out of my hair. So let's see the result of the mask. Did my hair fall out under here? Am I gonna be pulling off wigs for a while? Let's see. The mask does smell really good. That's why I can say, that's a dark pink, like woo. It's much darker and vibrant in my mirror, like wow. Color's vibrant. Feels moisturized for once. I don't know about weighed down or anything like that, but because it's like still wet, but all in all, I like it. So far so good. I'm not bald. My color actually looks a little bit more vibrant than it looked before. So I give it a plus for color vibrancy. If you're looking to enhance your color and not destroy your hair, this is amazing. I had it upside down. This is really good for your hair color and to give your hair vital nutrients. So I give it an A plus for that. I'm gonna style my hair and let's see if it's weighed down. Well, my hair is finished and complete. It's done being styled. And what do you think? I think my hair is like a lot more vibrant in color. You can't really tell on here, but in my mirror and in my light, and it's like, it's totally revived. And it kind of feels like a cotton candy cloud, which is really nice. I feel like I just put life back into my hair. Really strong color treated hair. Definitely try out the L'Oreal sheet hair mask. They are beyond wonderful and amazing, and you'll thank me once you try them out. They'll be like, oh my god, this is so amazing. I'm like, yeah, I know. It's like feeling a cotton candy cloud. Like, my hair feels so amazing and fresh, clean, just vibrant, just like I want to like whip my hair around like Farrah Fawcett. Like, I just want to show everyone, like, look at my hair, look at my hair. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like the video, please give it a huge thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe now. Press that bell, ding dong, and you'll be notified whenever I make a new video, which is every Wednesday and Saturday I post. So be on the lookout for that. And as always, I'll talk to all of you later, and bye everyone.